Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay.
It is nice to meet you, and please say your name,
My name is Vijay.
Vijay. And where
Yeah,
are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which part of India?
Uttar Pradesh.
Please
Uttar
repeat.
Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so is
Uttar
that
Pradesh.
north, south?
Uttar Pradesh. I think city is Agra. I think you know very well the Taj Mahal about the.
Okay.
Yeah. You,
And
you know about the Taj Mahal?
I know about it.
Yeah.
Yes, I have never been to India.
Why?
Lack of money. uh, Needing to bring up children and only having holidays close to home. Maybe one day we will come to India.
Definitely, you have to visit.
I would like to visit, but I
So,
need to save up some money to afford it. I know.
you,
What do you
you are
do for?
you are saying you are talking with your internal voice. Affordable. That word.
Yes, well, I think everywhere in the world it is quite expensive to pay the bills these days.
I can understand it very well.
Mhm. And what do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you
Yeah,
at university there?
yeah. I have completed my graduation right now, so
Oh, oh,
I'm pursuing other courses.
yeah.
So English is a mandatory and that courses. So that's why I want to improve English with the help of
Yes,
the Cambly tutor.
I see. And what is the core subject for your course?
English is a major subject at that courses. So that's why I am improving.
You are, yes,
Yeah,
yes, you are. You are mainly understandable.
yeah. So
Yeah.
whenever during the teaching time, the English is a mandatory. So I am during the teaching time, I feel afraid. So that's why I am working on it.
Yes. Which do you find most difficult? Speaking English or listening and understanding or reading and writing?
I'm talking with you. You can understand me.
I can understand you, yes.
So you can find me or what's the difficulty I am facing. I think you can observe me. You are talking with me right now. So
Yes, yes, you continue. Can you understand me when I
yeah,
speak?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
yes, yeah,
I am understanding you very well. A reason behind is that because our surrounding is not a English
yeah.
surrounding. I think it's a Hindi medium surrounding. So I'm not interested to English medium. So that is a lack of environment. So I'm facing these challenges.
You are facing lack of opportunities to
Yes,
speak
yes,
and communicate in English.
yes.
Many Cambly students I speak to, that is the reason they are here so that they
So,
can
so,
practice.
that app gave me a specific places to conversation with expert English expert.
Yes. Well, I am a native English woman. I live in Spain right now.
Okay,
Mm.
so that's why I want to improve English.
So tell me a little about what you have done during this last week.
I gave the as a home tuition to the child to teach all the subject, and on a free time I went on a ground to walk, to running, to enjoying other activities. And after that completing this type of activity, I study of my subject.
Mm.
So it's a busy schedule.
Yes, you have lots of work. So do you enjoy sports in your free time or exercise or reading and watching movies?
I like to talk with a stranger person on a free time. I am interested to old age persons to talking with because they give me a lots of experience of their life. So I am interested to on a free times to talking with someone.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I moved to Spain because I wanted to try living in a different country.
Okay,
And
but
Spain is welcoming to English people.
you should come in India.
We looked at India, and the main reason we didn't is we have pets, and it was easy to bring them to Europe, not so easy to move further away.
But I hope you will come.
Have you seen the movie, the Exotic Marigold Hotel?
Express Marriott Hotel.
Yeah, it is a movie. Just one moment. It is about some English retired people who come to live in India. It is and it made people in England think that they could come to India. It is called the best exotic marigold, the best exotic marigold hotel. Try to find the movie. It 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 is about English people who come to live in India, and there is also a documentary where celebrities actually came to India to see if it was an opportunity, a good place to retire.
Okay, can I visit that place?
It's in the chat. Look at it afterwards, and I'll send you a message, maybe with a link. But check out the film and the BBC series.
Okay, you send me. I want to visit that places to talk with that.
Yes, it did. It did make India look a very appealing place to live.
Yes, of course.
So, what are the best parts about living in India? What would you say is the very best?
I'm not getting your point. Please say once again.
What would you say is the best thing about living in India?
Hotel.
Well, that is the film. But what would you say? Come to India because. Complete the sentence.
Hotel is the best places to living in India. So it's a very secure place.
Mm,
I think I'm not getting your point. I think in a very clear way. So that's why I'm giving your answer
okay.
in uncomfortable way.
I want you to tell me what is a good aspect of living in India. Why is India a good place to live?
Okay, I can it's okay. It's the culture of the India very high and literacy rate so high and very are humanities. Every Indian peoples they're humilious towards other. Uh, uh,
Okay.
they are no fake towards other. They are very they are helps to a stranger person. They not tease to other. They are not to cheat other. So
Mm.
it's very a peaceful environment create in India. Anyone can stay without any effort.
Hmm. That is interesting. The humility
Yeah, humility.
of the people.
Because
Yeah.
yeah, because the diversity are there.
Yeah.
Buddhism, Hindus, Muslim, there are lots of diversity are there. But diversity is available, but among the diversity, they are unity. They are
Mm.
union. It's a very good point in India.
It is.
Yeah,
Yes.
they are union.
Ah.
Union is the strength. So they follow.
Yes, that is good. And family is important in India too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they love to each other.
Yes. Do
because
you
anyone,
live
do you live?
near your family?
Yeah, I live in with my family.
Okay.
My right now, my mom is working in a kitchen. They are, she is cooking something dishes, so I'm waiting for lunch, dinner.
What do what do you hope she is cooking?
Because before the talking with you, I saw what are you doing, mom? Mom is saying me, I'm preparing your food. Don't worry, wait, just a wait.
What is your favorite food?
My uh, favorite food, non-veg I like.
Hmm.
Yeah, I like
Okay.
non-veg. Yeah, sometimes
Yeah.
cheese. I like cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
There is a cheese that is in a curry.
dry cheese,
Yeah.
fry dry cheese,
Ah, okay.
fry dry cheese. Yeah, I like.
Yeah, you like that. Uh-huh. I live near Valencia in Spain, and we grow rice here. So we use rice in many
I
meals. Mm,
yeah, I think the rice is a very nutrients are available in that. It's very
mm.
highly energetic. I think you like rice.
I like rice. Yes,
Okay.
yes. In Valencia, the national dish is paella, which is a rice dish. We grow rice for paella.
National dish is it's
Mm,
national dish.
that's here in Spain in Valencia.
Okay. Ajay, you look okay, okay. Very interesting, right?
Mm. So after our lesson in 2 minutes, you will sit down and have some food with your mum and other members of family.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I work with my mother. I help. I help. I help
Okay,
her. Yeah. So,
okay. You
in
are a
you,
good son.
yeah. Do you teach on a Cambly of the part time or full time?
Part time.
Part time. Oh, before the part time, what will you do?
I am a secretary. So
Secretary.
a secretary, yeah, I do admin work for
What is the
business
work for
owners.
business owner?
I support business owners. I do their admin, their secretarial work, their paperwork. Mm,
Okay. So I
yeah,
think you teach a part time on that app.
and I do. Yeah, I like to speak with people on Cambly, so I do part time as a secretary and part time on Cambly.
So I think your teaching way is very so fantastic for the for a new learner. It's very
But,
you are so you are very kind person.
thank you. But
Yeah.
you are advanced because you understand me and I can understand you. So you
Uh,
are
g-
advanced English, not a new learner.
Give me some feedback about my talking with you.
It is good.
Okay.
I find that Indian people naturally speak quickly.
I'm talking with you in a quick way.
Yes, naturally
Okay.
you and Indian people I have spoken with. So maybe to sometimes slow down slightly because it's quick. It can be hard to understand.
Okay.
Yeah, but then I speak quickly and you don't understand me.
Yes, I will work on it. I will improve this type of error
Yeah,
during the talking time with you.
but your
Definitely.
pronunciation is good.
My pronunciation is so good.
It is. Yes, our
Thank you.
time has
Thank
finished.
Bye. Thank you a lot.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Okay. Thank you.